Whether you're a student submitting a project or you're a teacher trying to record a lesson, or even if you're a small business, Google Vids is an incredible tool for building video content in the simplest and fastest way. However, not knowing how to leverage the tools that Google Vids provides can easily make your videos look like a very boring static presentation. Today, we are going to change that. By utilizing the pre-made templates that Google already has, the animation features, you can make your videos look 10 times more engaging. Starting with a new project file, we are going to add a scene, and then on the right-hand side of your screen, you're going to click on Insert Text. And here you have your basic text options, but if you scroll down, you will realize that there's a large library of pre-made texts provided to you by Google. Although they are pre-made, you can actually ungroup the elements and edit them individually. I'm going to click first on August, and then I will click on the animation button. Here you will have a variety of animations that you can play around with, but for the popping effect, I'm going to pick this Rise element. In the Rise element, you'll see that you can adjust different things like duration, the direction that your text rises, and also how you would want to animate the text. But I think I want it to appear as a whole word so that it feels a bit more simpler and neat. And then I'm going to go down and click on separate enter and exit animations so that it only enters and doesn't exit. Now we are going to do the same for the other elements. For recap, again, we're going to go into animation. I will separate my enter and exit animations, and then I'm also going to choose the same rise effect. I'll make sure that I choose word, and this time I'm going to make it rise from the other direction, almost in a way where the word August and recap sort of opens in the opposite direction. And now finally, for the middle element of 2026, I think scale is a good option for this. Again, I'm going to make sure I click on Word and again separate my enter and exit elements. And now for the final reveal, if I play them together from the start, this is how it appears. Now there are two ways to approach this. Similar to the previous title, I can either choose to individually animate each element, or I can animate the entire scene. Here I have multiple options to choose from. With just a click of a button, all three of my elements are animated together. Now that I'm looking at this scene, I'm starting to feel that only having text is making my video a little bit boring. So my idea is to shift everything to the left side of the screen and find a stock video that I can fill on the right side of the screen. If you have a pre-existing footage you can use for your video, feel free to use that. Or if you don't, you can always go into Google's stock media and look for a video that best suits your needs. When I find a video I like, I'm going to add it to the scene and resize it. So I'm going to drag the video all the way down like so, double click on the video and then readjust the framing. So I want to see the three individuals a little bit more in my video. I'm going to add a simple animation and we're going to see how it plays. And that's it. By leveraging all of Google's built-in tools, your Google Vids project will immediately look more professional and polished. Give these tricks a try on your next project or proposal, and if this video was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick video tips, and I will see you in the next one.